on this 1500. One of the reasons why we're able to run these massive 35 Bravens is the long travel setup. Tell us a little bit about the long travel on this one.
Yeah, this is the all-new Thumper Fab Elite long travel suspension for the 1500, and we've been testing and tuning, trying to get the perfect ride. This one here is a little bit wider than the older version, and it has a lot more beefier parts in it.
Box design, gonna handle the weight and size of this 1500 a lot better, and a high clearance design too. Really helped in these rocks, yeah?
Yeah, as you can see, we got a pretty good bend. The axle's almost in the middle of the A-arm, so we got as much clearance as we could get out of it.
It's nice. I like being able to go do a little trail riding, but also not get hung up on the trail for hours at a time, so.
Yeah, it definitely will be way beefier than your stock suspension. You don't have to worry about building ROs because they come with a lifetime warranty.
And ride quality. Talk about ride quality, because we've got the all-new FOX QS3s on this.
Yeah, man, we have an awesome ride with these shocks. This is all new for the Ranger, and they're also a custom link for our suspension. So it's amazing how much more travel we got out of it.
So you can definitely step it up if you're really wanting that premium ride quality, that adjustability that the Foxes are gonna allow. We'll also have the option to run even the stock shock though. That's pretty unique too.
Yeah, if you're price-minded and you want to run the stock shocks, or you just can't get the shocks, Fox shocks now, we have the option to use your stock shocks. We have a relocation bracket to run your stock shocks, and it will ride good with those as well.
Options are always great, so run stock for a while, see how you like it. If you really want to step up to that premium ride quality, the Foxes are ready for you.
Yeah, the Foxes are definitely the way to go.